two COZSINOOR queen size pillows. What I like about these pillows is they're machine washable. So when I do the bedding, I can also throw these in the wash. Another thing I like about it is if I want it fluffier, I can push it together, I can hit the pillow, I can also throw it in the dryer with dryer balls to make it even fluffier. And so, if I want a fluffier pillow than my husband, I can really work it over and get it to the right side. The pillows are great for stomach sleepers, side sleepers, and back sleepers. I'm a side sleeper and my husband sleeps on his back, but we are able to use the same pillow and still have comfort at night. What I like about the pillow is that when I lay on it, it's not too high for my neck, it's not too low, it fits just perfectly when I go ahead and lay down. So here you can see that as I lay on my back, my head fits into it perfectly. If I were to roll on my side, I still have support underneath my neck, which I need. I hope you found the review helpful.